Want to know the secret behind factories running smoother than ever? It's all in the tech you've probably never heard of. Imagine a platform that connects every single machine, sensor, and device in a factory to the internet, talking, sharing data, and making decisions in real time. That's what an industrial Internet of Things platform does. It's the backstage wizard making sure everything from your devices to your management systems work seamlessly together. It gathers tons of data, crunches the numbers to spot issues before they happen, and helps optimize every step of production. Need to tweak operations on the fly or build new apps that fit your exact needs? It's got that covered too. Plus, it keeps your valuable data safe from cyber threats while growing alongside your business. The perks are huge. Less downtime, smarter resource use, tighter security, and a whole new way to run your operations that's efficient and future-ready. In short, this tech is the key to turning traditional factories into smart, data-driven powerhouses. Ready to upgrade your operations? What part of this tech would transform your workflow? Tell us below.